So next, let's bump this up. I'm gonna be doing what Erin Parsons did on Emily Did It Onto, and that is the Brigitte Bardot sort of black cat eye, way more dramatic. She also did a brown lip on her, so this is perfect. I'm gonna keep that. The skin is right, everything is along similar to what Erin did. So let's just focus on the eye and take it a step further. I'm gonna be using Clinique's High Impact. Line the eye. This is really just intensifying what we already have. And she went and swooped this out, which is very new for me. And I'll take this. So I really saw it went all the way in. Same on the top here. Erin sharpened this. She sharpened the point with like this fancy Q-tip. I do not have that, so we'll have to go for a regular one. Okay, we'll do the other side. I'm not a makeup artist, but what I like about these is you can really experiment and do it yourself. Like, you don't have to be a makeup artist to do these looks. It's just kind of try what you see if it works for you, and you know your face the best, so go with what works for you. Let me look at this in the mirror. No, it's not actually. Okay, I can do this. Okay, so I'm gonna take a Q-tip and kind of sharpen then. Yeah, look, wow, that worked. Wow, this is really exciting. I'm really excited. So now I need to smudge this out a bit, is what I'm thinking. I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm just gonna smudge it a little bit. I know Erin went in and she used a liquid liner, so I'm gonna do that as well. I'm going to use, this is L'Oreal's Infallible Super Slim liquid liner. I'm gonna go and trace what I've done just to bump it up. And I'm only doing it closest to the eyelash line. I'm really being careful how I do this, only using like the little tip. So I'm also going to take this and make a line all across the under eye as well, closest to the lash line. Q-tips are really coming in handy for this look, so if you try this at home, definitely have Q-tips on stack. So there's a couple more things that I noticed in this look, and one is that Emily's waterline was pretty white on the bottom inside. So I am gonna use this Maybelline palette again, and I'm gonna take the lightest shade and sort of put that on my inner lip. Just to really create that pop between the waterline and the black. And to touch all this up underneath, because she did have a little bit more of a smudged black, it kind of faded a bit, I'm going to use this Clinique palette. I'm going to use the black that's on here. Okay, and because Erin did a little bit more, it had a little bit more of a shimmer on top of the lip, it looked like, I'm going to use the Milk highlighter and put that on top of the Glossier lipstick I had used earlier. And then the braids actually work perfectly because it's very Brigitte Bardot Bohemian-esque. So these are my two Emily Donato beauty looks. This look really makes the eyes pop. Thank you so much, Emily Donato and Erin Parsons, for all the inspiration. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. This is the Girl Habit signing out. Mwah.